Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. It's a quick update on the improved Meyer lemon tree that I repotted May 29th. So it's been a while, and actually it wasn't until it's probably 3 weeks ago now, that all of a sudden it started sprouting new growth. I was looking at the video where I repotted it, and I said, wow, I had a lot of growth on it and a lot of flowers. But it dropped all those leaves. I didn't realize it had so much foliage on it because it was so long. There's just some leaves remaining from that time period. You can see here. Yeah, it pretty much dropped its leaves, and I almost said, well, I'll probably just toss the tree here. But like I said, all of a sudden it sprouted new growth. Should have documented it, and it's got to this point here. But it has some of the old leaves on, like I said. One good thing I think is that I didn't realize until recently is I think I got rid of my scale problem. I threw out a lot of the citrus I had started from seed. I don't know where they got their scale from, but I just could not get rid of the scale on those little plants. I've got one left, grapefruit seed I started. But yeah, it's really flush with new growth now. Let's see here. There were a couple of flowers, but they probably dropped. Oh, there's something here, so I don't know if that was pollinated or not. Yeah, there's a remnant of a petal there. But yeah, all this new growth all of a sudden. Had some good heat and humidity and some rain, but I started giving it regular feeding of just Miracle-Gro. And yeah, someone asked about this, so I thought I'd do an update. This is what it was doing, which gave me concern when I decided to repot it in this little lighter mix. It dries out quicker. Oh, and this is the Trevita Orange air layer that I did back in 2015. I just went on my channel to look up this video. So I started the air layer the previous year, and I just put this, I've been meaning to forever, and I just put this tag on here. So September 27th, 15 is the video that I did for when I removed this. And I actually got rid of the mother plant, and I don't recall it being a good orange, but then the last time I had an orange off of this, it surprised me. It was pretty good. So I didn't think there was much fruit on here, but now that I'm looking, I do see some fruit here and there. 1, 2, 3. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. So another one over here, 8. So there could be a couple of others, but that's sort of a good thing. Don't have to do any thinning. And yeah, this it did take off and put off some new growth here. And this is an air layer, so it doesn't have any rootstock that's going to limit its growth. It's going to be pruning on my part that will limit the growth. It did the same thing that I wanted to prune these branches here, but now they've got fruit on them. This one doesn't. I could prune this, but yeah, I thought I'd mention that. Look at the size of the trunk here. Trevita Orange. Yeah, so that's just a quick update on the improved Meyer lemon tree that I had repotted May 29th. It's pretty bare for, June, July, and then it was, I'd say probably the first week of August it started putting on new growth. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.